Hello friends, this is Ajay Jangid in this video and you are watching Jogi and You. Friends, today's problem is related to algebra. It's a tricky problem which says find xy plus yz plus zx if we have a to the power x minus 1 is equal to bc, b to the power y minus 1 is equal to ca, and c to the power z minus 1 is equal to ab. So we have all these three conditions, and with the help of that, we have to find the value of these xy plus yx plus zx. And this question has been asked in NTSE examination 2019-20. So how to solve these type of questions? For solving this, just take aside this question here and just bring down all the given things. So firstly, carry this down here and then this, and after that, carry this down here. We have all three conditions here. Then what to do now? If anyhow we find the value of x, y and z, then we can easily find our answer by placing these into our question. So let's work on it, and for that, see the formation of it. What we have? A to the power x minus 1 is equal to bc. So first of all, we have x minus 1 in the power. So let's split it, and for splitting this, what formula we have? So we have a formula here, which is if we have x to the power p minus q, then we can split this as x to the power p multiplied by x to the power minus q. Or we can write this as x to the power p upon x to the power q. So just split this one with the help of this formula just like this. Now we have a to the power x dot a to the power minus 1. Similarly, expand this second equation just like this, and then expand this third equation just like this. Before doing anything, let me tell you about Unacademy's Ask a Doubt feature, which is for class 6 to 12th of CBSE board, and it's absolutely free. For this, just open Unacademy app, and after that, you can ask unlimited doubts here, and then you get high quality videos in Hindi and English. For doing that, just click here, then set your goal here. I have already did it. You can change it later also by clicking on change at the bottom side. That is manage goals. Click here and search CBSE. All classes will be in the front of you. Suppose I choose class 9th, language I choose English, and then you can clear your doubts by clicking on start learning. So keep scrolling down until you find ask doubt. So choose second one from both these options, your doubts. So after clicking on this, we have this interface. I have checked some solutions, so it's showing that first time it will be like this. Here we have two options. Take a picture and choose from gallery. We will choose take a picture and take a question from 10th maths and see what solution we get. Question 4 from the exercise 6.5 and click the photo of it. Just rotate this and crop only question number 4. Then upload and select mathematics. Now we have our solution in front of us, so we opened it and now see what we have. Let's forward it. It's a part of solution. Let's get back. So did you see the solution we got in the great resolution? So it will ask you the review before next doubt. Did you like it or not? And after clicking on like button, we will have the option for next question. Now you can ask anything you want to. Whenever it asks you about the unlock code, your unlock code will be JANDY10. It will help you to get the access to free and 10% discount on paid or any iconic subscription courses. So let's get back to the original question. Now we have the expanded form of all these three equations. Now we didn't have much to do. In the first equation, for eliminating this a to the power minus 1, multiply both the side with a to the power 1. So look at here. After multiplying both the side with a to the power 1, we have this form. Similarly, in second equation, for cancelling b to the power minus 1, we will multiply with b to the power 1. And in the third equation, with the c to the power 1. In first equation, these both will be cancelled. And in the second equation, these both will be cancelled. And in the third equation, this will be cancelled. Why? Because if we multiply number of any exponential form with its inverse power form, so the value will be 1. And in the right side, we have power 1 on all these. So write it or not, it's same thing. So after solving this, we have this one. A to the power x is equal to ABC. b to the power y is equals to CBA, which is ABC. c to the power z is equal to abc. So by multiplying all these three equations, we get a to the power x dot b to the power y dot c to the power z is equal to abc, abc and abc. So now in the right side we have 3 times a, 3 times b and 3 times c in multiple. So we can write this as a cube, b cube and c cube. And then just wipe out all the extra things here. And by comparing each of the variable both the side, then we get the value of x, y and z absolutely equal to 3. So now we have the values of x, y and z. So according to the question, we had to find the values of these xy plus yz plus zx. So after replacing all the values, we have 3 into 3 plus 3 into 3 plus 3 into 3. Just calculate all the things, then we have 9 plus 9 plus 9. And then we have 27. And this 27 is the value for this algebraic expression. So friends, if any of you who wants to write down the whole process can write down by pausing the video. So guys, we have one more channel named Numerica Maths, in which we upload the mathematic videos for class 8th, 9th and 10th for the courses of CBSE board. So if you found that useful, the link is in the description. So friends, if you like our videos, then a sub to this channel will be perfect. So like this video and share it with your friends. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.